The RIDGID 29963 tubing cutter is a powerful tool that is designed to cut stainless steel tubes with a capacity of 1/4 of an inch to 1 3/8 of an inch. The cutter features an innovative mechanism with 6 individual bearings that replace traditional rollers, resulting in increased speed and a smoother cut. It has a specially designed stainless steel cutter wheel that contains bearings in the hub, which decreases drag around the tube and further contributes to creating a smoother cut. The cutter is ergonomically designed with a contoured frame for easy alignment and an X-CEL knob for easy adjustments and quicker cutting. Constructed with high-quality aluminum, the RIDGID 29963 tubing cutter promises long-lasting durability and is capable of withstanding heavy-duty and daily use. This tool is a product of RIDGID, a globally trusted brand known for its dependable and innovative tools used by professionals in more than 100 countries.